Hello everyone, today is Friday. I hope you are getting ready for the weekend. Anyways, welcome to your favorite entertainment program, Entertainment Daily, here at TV UCC, your ultimate go-to for your celebrity buzz and latest updates in your world of entertainment. If it is trending, then surely we are talking about it here. My name is Elijah Danso. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. In today's stories, Lyrical Joe holds album listening. Congratulations to Lyrical Joe on his new album. Shatta Wale and Medikal at Radikal Dee's birthday party. These two are certainly always a good pair. Dionysus Media organizes a show. Stick with us and don't go anywhere. We would be right back. Welcome back from this break. Let's delve deep into the stories now. Popular Ghanaian rapper and also musician Lyrical Joe held his album listening last night at the Twist nightclub in Accra. He released his second album, I Am, on all streaming platforms today. That is the 16th of May 2025. Contains 13 tracks where he collaborated with some Ghanaian artists like Medikal, Bishop, among other artists. He also has some songs like You, I Am, and also Take Me Home on the album. So if you are a fan of Lyrical Joe, please go listen to his new album. I'm sure you would get some tracks which will resonate with you. At the album listening, he was supported by fellow musicians Trigmatic, Bishop, KOTM, among other musicians. During the event, he has revealed that it took 1 month to record the album, but it took longer shooting the videos and compiling everything up into the album as it is now. He also revealed that each artist he collaborated with had a specific purpose. Guys, let's go watch the video.
Light boy.
That I'm not trying to find my way, cause I know where life blows, he'll take me home. Take me home. So take me home is more like a traveler that is not going back. He believes that wherever he gets to
the final cut.
I mean, when it comes to the recording process, I basically, before I enter the studio, I've written what I want to write and everything. So recording, if you want to talk about recording process, basically one month, right? But when it comes to the whole preparation, I mean, putting the songs together, shooting videos and everything, that took a while.
The selection for the features. Why did you go for these artists? Because I thought my favorite song was the one with Bishop, and I'm hearing the rest of this song and I'm like, I don't know what my favorite song is. Obviously, EL is in my top 3 so far. But why did you select these artists for this album?
So every single one is serving a purpose on this album, basically. The interview, because like I said, this album is a daily life album, and it's something I do, it's realistic. I'm an artist, I go for interviews, I get asked questions and everything, so I'm like, okay. Instead of waiting for me to get on Hit FM for you to hear me, I'm going to bring Hit FM to the studio and I'm going to put them in the album and then we are going to have that conversation. So that's what we did with the interview. Yeah.
That's what you did with the interview. Are we ready yet or are we still working on it?
Let's have your comment on this particular story. Now moving on, the CEO of Aquaba UK, Radikal Dee, celebrated his birthday at the Cock Lounge in Osu. His birthday party was attended by many A-list celebrities like Medikal, Shatta Wale, Kweku Smoke, among others. Video shared by Ghanaian blogger Kweku GH. Shatta Wale is seen arriving in a white BMW. When he arrived, he is seen chatting with his manager, that is Sammy Flex. Later, he is seen with Medikal cutting the cake with the celebrant, that is Radikal Dee. Guys, let's go watch the video.
Even me at the same moment. Secret billionaire. But I think we keep on big money too much. You know, we keep on big money. We face the look like bank. American banking.
Really appreciate you. All right, so we're gonna count from 3 to 1. But before that, it's only nice.
Should we sing? Guys, are you ready? Can we sing for my brother, please? My one and only Dennis Radikal Dee. Happy birthday! Ready? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Where the girls at? May God bless you now. Come on now.
May God bless you now. May God bless you now. May God bless you now.
On behalf of my brother, Shatta Wale, Cliff, Eben, Alodia, all the big boys in the house, the beautiful ladies, thank you so much. It's Radikal Dee.
Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Bring this life, please climate with the good music. Thank you once again, everybody. Happy birthday, Radikal Dee. We appreciate you. We appreciate all of you.
Let's have your comment on this particular story. Now with our final story. Dionysus Media and also event organizes a show called Celebrating Ghana's High Life and also Hip Life Legends. This particular event will be taking place at London's Dominion Centre on the 25th of May 2025. The event will be starting at 7 p.m. to 8 a.m. Some of the artists that will be gracing this show are Obrafour, Kojo Black, Dada KD, Jupiter, among other stars. So if you are in the UK or you would be around by this time, please make sure you go attend this program and also support Ghana. Guys, that will be all for today. My name is Elijah Danso. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Have a nice weekend. See you on Monday.